Someone asked me what is devotion. Sabi sa dictionary, ang devotion daw ay love, loyalty, enthusiasm for a person, activity, or cause. So, ibig sabihin nun, ang devotion ay pagpapakita mo ng iyong pagmamahal sa Panginoon. Pagbibigay mo ng time sa Kanya dahil mahal mo siya, dahil importante siya sa'yo, at kikilalanin mo siya. Habang nagde-devotion ako, nakita ko tong Bible verse na to sa Isaiah 55 verse 6. Sabi niya, "Seek ye the Lord while He may be found. Call ye upon Him while He is near." God wants us to seek Him. God wants us to know Him more. Hindi Kanya pepersahin na hanapin mo siya. Kailangan ikaw mismo talaga maghanap sa Kanya. Na hindi mo na kailangan pang maghintay tamang panahon. Hindi mo na kailangan pang maghintay sa tamang feeling. Hindi mo na kailangan maghintay na nasa mood ka na para mag-devotion. You have to seek Him sa bawat araw-araw. It's a must. The more you know Him, the more God will speak through you. The more God will guide you in your life, and the more that you fear God, more that you will have wisdom, more that you will have wise decisions in your life. And tayong mga Christian ay pinapakita natin yung pagmamahal natin kay Lord, ang ating loyalty sa Kanya, pagbabasa ng Bible. So nagde-devotion tayo when we read our Bible. Isa pa doon ay meron tayong devotion notebook where I explained it many times sa aking YouTube channel. Sa devotion notebook natin, nandun yung mga ating maglalagay ka ng Bible verse of the day mo, and then ime-meditate mo siya. Anamnamin mo yung bawat sinasabi niya doon, and then isusulat mo doon yung mga natutunan mo and yung mga gusto mong i-apply doon, and then yung prayer mo. I already did a video about it. Thank you for asking what is devotion. It's really important that you'll do your devotion every day. Seek God with all of your heart and you will find Him. God bless, and Ate Kate out.